Honest Tech provides the easy-to-use solutions for converting your old analog videos into digital formats for both PC and Mac. I'm Jenny Marie, and today I will show you how to set up and use both products. VHS to DVD 8.0 Deluxe is for Windows PC. VIDBOX for Mac is for Mac computers, as you can probably guess from the name. First, if your Mac or PC has a CD drive, please insert the installation CD into it. If you do not have a CD drive, don't worry. You can go to honesttech.com to download the software. Install the software using the CD or by clicking on the downloaded file. Once the software installation is complete, you need to connect the VIDBOX, which is the included USB video capture device, into your video player and computer. For this demo, we'll be using a VCR and a Mac computer. Plug the USB cable into the VIDBOX and plug the other end directly into the USB port of your computer. Please make sure you are not using USB hub or extension cable to get the best result. Connect the RCA cable to the AV outputs on your VCR or camcorder to the AV inputs on the back of the VIDBOX. Make sure you are connecting to the output ports instead of the input ports on the back of your VCR. Launch VIDBOX for Mac software by clicking on the icon in the application folder. Register your product by entering the required information and clicking on the Submit button. By registering your product key is kept safe and easily retrievable in the event that it is lost or stolen. Registered users also receive free phone and email support. Once the product registration is complete, the software will launch. First, you will need to choose your video playback device. In this case, I will be using a VCR to convert a VHS tape. Click Next to continue. Then you will need to choose the video cable type between RCA and S-video cable. For most VCRs and camcorders, you will need to choose RCA type. Next, you will see a diagram to help you make sure that everything is connected properly. If you have verified that everything is connected properly, click Next to continue. When you get to step 4, set the record time by dragging the slider to the left or right. This allows the software to record for the selected duration and stop automatically. Next, rewind your VHS tape to the beginning of your movie and press play on your VCR when ready. Then, also click the record button on the screen to start recording. However, you can also stop recording before the allotted time has run out by clicking on the Stop button. When you are done recording, you can view the recorded clip by opening the file location or play it using iTunes. You can also edit the recorded video using iMovie or burn to DVD using iDVD or other DVD video creation software. The PC version, VHS to DVD 8.0 Deluxe, has a few additional features. The Advanced mode also allows you to edit the video and convert it to iOS or Android compatible formats. That way you can watch the video on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You can also convert analog music into digital format using the audio recorder mode. The newly added Photo DVD allows you to create spectacular photo slideshows using ready-made themes. Simply import your photos and background music to easily create your custom photo slideshows, either on DVD or as a file format. You can also get detailed instruction in the user guide. The user guide can be accessed by clicking on the question mark or Help to view the user guide.